Hi friends, now we will discuss about statins pharmacological actions. Statins are anti-lipidemic agents. Statins reversibly inhibits HMG-CoA reductase enzyme, reduces hepatic cholesterol, causing increased LDL receptors, resulting in the decreased plasma LDL levels. Apart from the anti-lipidemic agent, statins shows pleiotropic effects. These pleiotropic effects includes as an antioxidative stress, as an anti-inflammatory action, and decreases the superoxide formation, reduces the chemokine formation, and improves the endothelial protection activity and reduces ischemic stroke incidence, etc. Let us go for one by one. A. Statins increases apoptosis in lymphocytes and eosinophils, thereby protects the other cells. It is also found to stabilize the atherosclerotic plaque. Statins inhibits thrombogenic responses, means it acts as antifibrinolytic. Statins improves of endothelial dysfunction. It reduces ischemic stroke incidence and also found to inhibit the cardiac hypertrophy. Statins acts on neutrophils and reduces oxidative stress. Statins decreases the superoxide formation and reduces the chemokine formation, as it participates as anti-inflammatory activities. Mainly statins used as anti-lipidemic. Apart from this, antioxidative stress and anti-inflammatory areas. Thank you.